Chad from Driving Lightning, the positively charged EV channel, and this is the 3-inch floodlights from Novsight Cyber One. We are going to get these installed. Now, wouldn't it be perfect if you had like a Jeep? This is like a perfect application. You know, some kind of off-roady vehicle. But we have the Nissan Leaf. But I thought about it, and why can't the Nissan Leaf be cool? So I've enlisted the help of the best mechanic I know. That's this guy, my dad, together. And we're going to get these on the Nissan Leaf. But first, we have to get them out of the box. That's where Sarah comes in. And after the unboxing, we're going to show you the installation. And we're going to do some testing and see what they're all about. If you're interested in buying these lights, there will be a link in the description for Novsight where you can buy it for yourself. So let's get to work.
Let's see what's in the box.
You can choose from 4 different beam patterns: fog lights, floodlights, driving lights, or spotlight. First thing you'll find is your installation manual. Next, you'll find some accessories that come with it. This is an amber cover that you can place over your light, as well as the mounting hardware. Super simple and easy to use. This is a fantastic piece. This is your all-in-one wiring. You just have to connect it to your battery terminals, and it comes with a switch. Super easy. And then finally, we have the actual Cyber One light. It has a black cover on it, and there is the light.
Let's get this done. So this is what we did for the Nissan Leaf. Now I'll show you how we did it. Novsight couldn't have made this any easier to do. When I show you the process of how we went about getting these lights installed, you're going to see that really anybody can do this. So what we chose to do is I bought this metal bracket here that bolts right where your front license plate bolts on. And in Michigan, you don't need a front license plate, so I got some decoration. What do you think? Not too bad. But then this very easily mounts to the Novsight brackets. Just very simple. I mean, nothing to it. All the bolts come with it, the Allens come with it, everything. I ran the wires down just behind it and then up. And then, of course, I do the same thing on the other side. So I'll open the hood and I'll show you what it looks like from under the hood now. So what you have with this wiring harness from Novsight is so simple. You have a wire that plugs into your negative cable, a wire that plugs into your positive cable. This is like a relay. You just find any place to bolt this. I bolted it here on the hold down, but I could have bolted it over here, over there, really anywhere under the hood. There's nothing to it. And then that wire splits off into 2 wires, which I just went ahead and zip tied to other existing wires, and I put them up under the grill down there. See, because in the Nissan Leaf, your fans are on this side. So they're up under there, drop right down. And then from the outside, you can see they drop down into here. They just plug into these. They just plug in. It's really nothing to installing these things. And then what you have left, of course, is the rest of the wire and your switch, your on and off switch. And now to get this into the car, you have several choices. One, you can find some wiring in your car and chase that wiring into the firewall. Or you could simply find a safe place to drill a hole in your firewall and go in that way. Or another option, if you can go behind your body panel here, for example, in the Nissan Leaf, underneath the wheel well cover, you could run that wire up above that, which comes out really easy, and then into the interior through there, drill a hole there. If you do it on the passenger side, you have a little plug behind your glove box you can pull out. Do it whichever way works best and is safest for your vehicle. And Novsight is so generous with how much wire they give you. They give you enough wire, almost the length of the car, as you can see here. So whether you're going through the dashboard on the driver's side or passenger side, you're just not going to have any problems. And once you get your switch in the car, it has a nice little peel and stick on the back, which means you can put this thing anywhere you want to in your car. For example, right down here where some of your other, maybe there's some empty panel spots. I mean, obviously you can stick it right here, right there. I mean, just whatever works for you. I mean, I think for us, it's probably going to go right there. It's just such a cool spot. Just makes sense. It really is that easy to install the Novsight Cyber One 3-inch pods. We chose to use the floodlights. You can get spotlights, driving lights, or fog lights, or floodlights. Let's see how they look at night. I think you're going to be amazed. I'm sitting in the dark right now, and I'm going to turn on my Novsight floodlights. Let's see what happens. Whoa, that's insane. Okay, that was with the amber covers on. Now let's try it with the amber covers off. Whoa, that's amazing. This is the view of the Novsight LED headlights and the Novsight LED floodlights. Now if that's not awesome, I don't know what's awesome.